In this video, you will see a Florida woman trapped on railroad tracks narrowly escapes disaster in a series of heart-racing seconds. Stay tuned for more life-threatening moments like this in our upcoming videos. You won't want to miss them. Train crashes are more than just shocking moments of destruction. They echo the tragedy of what happens when a powerful locomotive meets human error. These incidents remind us of the importance of safety measures in railway transportation. As devastating as they are, they highlight why we must never overlook safety in our everyday routines. In one of the most terrifying moments captured on video, a cargo vehicle goes airborne and crashes into a house. The driver definitely wasn't speeding, right? Watch the full clip for an insane turn of events. A speeding car launches into the air after hitting a roundabout in Arabian Poland. It lands on the property of a local church. Fortunately, the driver walked away unharmed. Lucky, but it's a clear warning. Slow down or you might just lose control. An unbelievable moment caught on video. A driver completely ignores the proper precautions for securing steel before driving. Thankfully, the situation doesn't end in disaster. But this video is a critical reminder: double-check everything before hitting the road. The worst red light running crashes are some of the most avoidable but devastating accidents. Whether you're in a rush or just not paying attention, disobeying traffic signals endangers everyone. A simple choice, stop at red lights, could save lives. A serious intersection hazard caught on camera in Sarasota. A vehicle runs the light without hesitation, but luckily, the perpendicular traffic had already stopped. Always look before you cross, and never assume it's safe just because you have a green light. The lesson? Be cautious, not careless. In Yongfu County, South China, a car was caught by the tail lift of a truck and was flipped over on a busy road. It's a dangerous moment that could have been avoided if each driver had been more careful. Let's remember, every move you make on the road affects not just you, but everyone around you. Stay vigilant, stay safe. On the Huyu Highway, between Chongqing and Shanghai, two trucks collide and block a tunnel. In the midst of the crash, a Good Samaritan gets out of his sedan and tries to warn other drivers, possibly saving lives. It's a beautiful reminder of the importance of helping others, even in chaotic moments. A driver parks his van too close to a train line, and the train collides with the vehicle, damaging it severely. The lesson here is simple: park your vehicle properly. Parking too close to dangerous areas can have serious consequences. In southwest Brisbane, a truck slams into a parked car and narrowly misses a man who was just feet away. The crash was a close call, and police are stressing the importance of following speed limits. Remember, speed limits are there for a reason. Never drive too fast. Parking in the wrong place can lead to disastrous consequences. One driver learns this lesson the hard way by parking too close to a train line, causing a collision. Always park responsibly, choose a safe spot, and avoid parking in areas where it can endanger others. A truck driver falls asleep at the wheel and crashes into 9 cars in Russia. Thankfully, no one was seriously injured, but this is a painful reminder of how sleep deprivation can cost lives. A heart-pounding video shows Ukrainian drivers inching across Russian landmines on a road. The mines were strategically placed, making it incredibly dangerous for any car that doesn't carefully navigate them. The risks these drivers are taking are unimaginable. Please stay safe and avoid dangerous routes. Driving with damaged or underinflated tires is incredibly dangerous. You could be risking a blowout or loss of control at high speeds. Make sure you check your tires regularly and replace them when needed to avoid disaster. In Sarasota, a dramatic red light runner is caught on camera plowing into two other vehicles after speeding through a red light. Police issued a warning, reminding us all, never ever run a red light. Always check both ways before entering an intersection. In Izmir, Turkey, a man narrowly escapes falling concrete after a severe storm. Pieces of concrete from a building under reconstruction come crashing down just inches from the man's head. It's a terrifying reminder that hazards can be unexpected, but being alert can save your life. In Bologna, Italy, a petrol tanker collides with vehicles in front of it, catching fire and causing an explosive chain reaction. The crash leaves a devastating aftermath, but the most terrifying part was the immediate danger it posed to everyone in the area. Always drive safely and avoid distractions on the road. On a busy midtown street, a massive sinkhole suddenly swallows an unsuspecting SUV. The ground gives way, leaving nothing but chaos and confusion. The bizarre situation serves as a reminder that sometimes nature can be just as unpredictable as human error. A semi-trailer truck drags a car for 30 meters after colliding with it in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province. The truck was in the car's blind spot, and luckily, no one was injured. But it's a stark reminder to always check your mirrors and be aware of what's around you. An Amazon delivery driver slams into a customer's house. Thankfully, Amazon covered the repairs and the driver still works for the company. This careless mistake highlights the need for better training and responsibility in delivery systems. A lesson for all delivery companies. If these shocking moments have you thinking twice about your own driving habits, don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping footage. Every video is a reminder of just how important it is to be alert, cautious, and responsible on the road. See you in the next video. Stay safe out there.